first IPO of 2018 opens today, and it's Apollo Micro Systems, which is looking to raise as much as 156 crore rupees at a price band of 270-275, and the market capitalization at the upper end of the price band comes to around 569 crore rupees. Now, the entire offer is a fresh issue where the company will be using 119 crore rupees for working capital requirement and the remaining 37 crore rupees for general purpose. Now, Apollo Micro Systems designs, develops and sells high-performance mission and time-critical solutions to defense, aerospace and homeland security. Now, it has a manufacturing facility in Hyderabad, and the order book as of 25th November was close to 98 crore rupees. Now, in the listed space, Apollo Micro Systems has two peers, Astra Microwave and Centrum Electronics, and the growth rate of Apollo Micro Systems has outperformed that of its peers. Now, its revenue and net profit grew at a compounded annual growth rate of 54% and 58% over FY13 to FY17, when compared to Astra Microwave, which grew at a compounded annual growth rate of 17% and 10%, while Centrum Electronics, which grew at a CAGR of 27% and 36%. For the first half of financial year 2018, the company's EBITDA margin was around 18%, while that of Astra Microwave was around 30%, and that of Centrum Electronics was around 3%. Now, if you see on the balance sheets, on the return ratio side, the company's return ratios are also strong when compared to peers. The return on equity was around 19%, return on capital employed was 27%, and return on asset was around 4.8% as compared to that of Astra Microwave, which stood at 6.4, 7.3 and 4.5. Now, we don't have the numbers of Centrum Electronics here because the company reported a loss on the bottom line and on EBIT level. Now, if you see on the balance sheet side, the balance sheet is however not that strong, with low book value per share, high total debt and high total debt to equity. Now, the company's book value per share is around 37 rupees, total debt is 112 crore rupees, while the total debt to equity is 1.5 times. Lastly, on the valuations, the shares of Apollo Micro Systems are offered at a premium when you see at the upper band. Now, the price to book is around 7.5, the FY18 price to earnings is 39.9, and FY18 market capitalization to sales is 2.6, which is at a premium when compared to Astra Microwave and Centrum Electronics. Now, the only brokerage note that I came across was of Angel Broking, which had a subscribe rating on this IPO on the back of its strong financial record and return ratios, and on the back of the growth prospect that defense sector brings in.